Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Dominion 2L is an imidacloprid neonicotinoid insecticide. This product is a systemic insecticide that works by interfering with the insect's nervous system. Dominion controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for outdoor use to control plant-destroying pests like aphids, whiteflies, and chinch bugs, as well as wood-destroying insects like termites and carpenter ants. Dominion 2L is a systemic insecticide, which means it needs to be absorbed into the plant. Some plants may take longer to absorb the product, which means it may have a delayed effect. It is important to read the label beforehand and know what plants you are applying to. Dominion also cannot be used on plants that are flowering, as it may harm pollinating insects. You may apply Dominion before flowering season or after the petals have fallen off any remaining flowers. If these concern you, check out Reclaim IT. Reclaim can be used as a broadcast spray outdoors and as a crack and crevice treatment indoors to control pests outside and prevent them from entering your home. Reclaim also controls similar pests and much more. Before using Dominion 2L, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Dominion at a rate of 0.3 to 0.6 fluid ounces per gallon of water, depending on the level of infestation and the targeted pest. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate and do not over-apply. To mix Dominion 2L, fill your sprayer halfway with water. Use a measuring cup to measure out the required amount of product and add it to your sprayer. Fill your sprayer the rest of the way and agitate your mixture, and you're ready to apply. Dominion 2L can be used to broadcast over your entire lawn and ornamentals. For turf application, we recommend using a hose-in applicator to ensure an even distribution of the product. After application, apply half an inch of water to the treated areas so the product can soak down into the roots. You can apply Dominion 2L with either a hose-in sprayer, a pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume applications. Dominion needs to be watered in so that the product can get down to the roots of the plant and be absorbed into them. But if rain is in the forecast, it may not be necessary to water, as the rain will water in the product for you. Dominion 2L can have a residual of 3 months when applied correctly. We typically recommend spraying quarterly for preventative control. Dominion 2L is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take up to 24 hours for it to die. Depending on your targeted pet's life cycle, you may need to reapply in 14 to 21 days, but do not apply more than 1.6 fluid ounces per acre per calendar year. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of just one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.